your favorite channel, Lakshita and the Caterpillar. So, Caterpillar won't be joining us anytime soon. I hope he does, but let's just hope he'll come back. Now let's get to the main point. I wanted these my entire life and I've already got it for my birthday present. And these are these Kinder eggs. Okay, so one box has 3 eggs, but there are 3 boxes, so there will be 9 eggs. I'm so excited. I wanted these my entire life. So we're gonna open all 3 boxes, but only 1 egg we're gonna open, okay? So let's start by opening this egg, this box. Let's see. Let's open from the bottom because it's a little bit like that. Okay, this is a fun trick that my little sister likes. So I'm gonna do this. Open, 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 surprise! Oh, these surprise eggs are so cool! Look at these! Okay, actually I kept them in the fridge so they're kind of cold. But look at these. These are so cool eggs. I wanted these my entire life. But I basically got like Kinder Joys and stuff. Not Kinder Eggs. And I finally got Kinder Eggs. Just look at them. Let's open. Open, open, open. Surprise! Oh, I kind of ripped off. Uh-oh, the box is broken. Okay. Oh, look at this egg. Oops. Okay. So this egg is kind of flat from the sides, as you see. But this one is perfect. Now the 3rd box. Open, open, open. Surprise! What? Seriously? Okay. You will not be able to see the egg. It's chocolate broken and the wrapper, look at it. Now we have the capsule, all of these eggs. The chocolate is inside the box. That is why I was wondering when I shake it, why is there chocolate coming off? Okay, these are absolutely dangerous eggs. I'll share them with my sister. And okay, but at least the other eggs are fine, especially this one. Look, this is flat on the sides, but all the other 5 eggs are perfectly fine. But these eggs are totally, their wrapper is off, the chocolate is also broken, and the capsules are open. We can at least open the capsules and have some chocolate which is below. So these eggs I'll probably do for my next video because they're brand new. But today we're gonna do the open ones which are inside the box. Okay, look, this is how it looks like. Is this serious? Okay, wait. Whoa, chocolate came out. Take one of the chocolate out. Oh. Okay, here's our capsule. Let's see what's inside. Open, open, open. Surprise! Huh? Wow! Looks like it has wings. It's like a fairy maybe inside. Let's see. Okay, now my hands are totally milk chocolate. Wait, maybe it's a dolphin or something? Or some kind of fairy wings? I don't know. Let's just see. Oh, it is a fairy. What is this? What kind of fairy has this? Let's just see what it is anyway. Oh, it's not a fairy. It's a bird. Oh, look at it. Look at this. I've got it what it is now. Okay, first we have to put it together. I think this piece comes here, and the wings. Where do the wings come? Like this? Oh yeah, the wings are like, okay, wait. I need to join this. So, oh no! I don't know why this is so complicated to join. I don't know this pretty thing. Let's join it. Okay, how to join this thing? Okay, this thing is very hard. I think this way. Oh wait. Why is it like this? A beak didn't come. Oh, I get it now. I get it. First of all, we need to join this. Oh wait, yeah, this body part over here. So that, wait, why is it so complicated? Over here, so we get the beak too. The instructions say, I think I have figured it out. Okay, 1 minute. And these. I don't know why. It's so complicated. Ugh. I think I did it. Now we get the legs too. Ugh. Ow. But now we can work with the wings. Like, okay, wait, it's like this. From here. Ugh. This surprise is so cool. I love this. And over here. So now this surprise actually looks like this. That there's a bird inside. Like it's a baby bird. Oh look, the mommy bird is holding the baby bird. I got it. But how do we fit the bird in? Ugh, okay. Look, this is how it looks like. This surprise is so cool. Like over here, see, it's so cool. Okay, next surprise we have. First, I really want to try the chocolate. Let's try the chocolate. It's actually delicious. Second capsule. Open. Surprise! Surprise! Why isn't it coming? Surprise! Ooh, this is like a frog. No, it's a crocodile! Or something. Here are the instructions, but I think I got it. Oh, here it is. This is so simple. It's a crocodile. Look at that. Isn't it so cool? It's like a crocodile, like biting at something. So cool. I am about to open the third one. Have some with the chocolate, which is so delicious. Chocolate is delicious, by it. Let's open this one. Let's take a peek. I think it's a bird or something again. Open. Surprise! Oh, no. What is this thing? I think it's a bike or something. Whatever, let's just see the instructions. No, it's a car. Okay. So where it is, this, let's just follow the instructions because this is not so simple just as the crocodile was. This is just like a car. Let's let's see what the instructions say. This is the piece. And you put that over there. I'm not able to understand these instructions actually. Over here, oh, I'm not able to understand. I think it's other ways, right? Do you think? I'm just not able to understand this, that's all. There's a little line that goes through past. So maybe it's like this? Wait, first let's follow the other things. Oh no, it can't be done without this piece. But where does this piece go? I'm just not able to understand this one, that's it. Ugh. Where do you go? Tell me, what is it? Where do you go? Here? I think I got it. I think so. You think it's like this? Whatever now. What it is, it's the tires. It's so hard to solve this one. It keeps on getting harder and harder. Where does this piece go, actually? Do you think we should have put this one first? Maybe? Over here first? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna first put this one. Where did it go? Oh no. I think I need to put this one first. And then the other ones. Huh, here it is. And now from here. Oh. How do you remove this now? Ugh. Come on out. Okay guys, we're not able to solve this third mystery. But it's okay. At least we got some Kinder fun. I promise I will show you this one after it's joined in the next video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon below. If you really love Kinder Eggs, just give a big thumbs up. Goodbye!